The area of cycle PQR with center O is 72 centimeters square. What is the area of sector POQ if P angle POQ is equals to 40? So area of a sector is given as theta all over 360 degree times per r square. So area of a cycle is given as 72. So then theta is equals to 40 degree. So we have area of a sector now is equals to 40 degree all over 360 degree times 72. If you divide 40 divided by 4, 30, 360 to give you, then multiply it by 8 to give you 8 centimeter square. This is the area of a sector.